my god, guys, look at my coins and gems. What's up, people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I got unlimited gems and coins for Cooking Favor, absolutely free, safe and online, guys, without downloading any mod or anything magic, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called iOS and type in search Cooking Favor, and you will find the online tool, guys. And now we'll have to enter our device ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So open the game, click on settings, click on support, then here is your device ID, copy to clipboard. Okay, let's get back to the R tool, then paste it just like that, press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select our coins and gems amount. So I will go with the maximum, guys. So let me click continue. Let's see the next step. So if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Cooking Favor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites. For now, this app loop is an amazing website for this. Okay, guys, AP connected. So the next step is to select I'm not robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download Wings You Play, and so I will be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened, so let's wait together and let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Coins and gems are on the way, guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game and let's see. Does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Okay. Oh my god, guys, look at my coins and gems. This hack working amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.